guys, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you are new here, hi, I'm Lauren. I don't know how you found me, but please definitely stay. So today's video is unboxing the Look Fantastic September box. Now this was meant to be delivered in September. I think it might have gotten delayed or something because it arrived in October. The October one actually has a LMS, I think it's either a cleansing wash thing or a body wash. I can't remember if this has got elements in, I can't remember exactly, but this is actually the September unboxing of the beauty box instead of the October one. I think they must have sent this one out before I cancelled it. So as always, I'm going to pop a screen recording on the screen for you so you guys can see what Look Fantastic looks like, and if you are interested in subscribing to the Look Fantastic beauty boxes, it will just show you everything you need to know on there as well, about all the prices, the plans, absolutely anything, and you can cancel at any time as well, just like Glossy Box. Normally they come in a box just like the Glossy boxes, but this one comes in a cardboard box. So obviously, as you can see on the label, it says September, so yeah, it must have got delayed. So let's open this box. It is difficult to get in. There we go. So it's just got literally a few things in here. I don't know why they've done it like this. To me personally, it just looks cheap, and it looks like they were trying to save on money. But I don't like the way it's designed. Personally, my point of view, it's just basically showing you this is what you can get every month. It's not enticing people to actually purchase these. Yeah, that's just my opinion. And the products are obviously not in like proper tissue paper or anything, or like shredded paper. They're just rattling around inside that box. So like if you had a candle in there or something and the delivery driver just had no idea what it was, just chucked it, you know, it could break. You know, kids with like fingers and stuff, they can put their fingers in and get cut, you know what I mean? So yeah, it's not exactly the best way they've presented it, but that's just my opinion alone. So if this is a one-time thing doing it this way, or it's their new way of saving money, I don't know, but personally I'm actually glad that I've unsubscribed to these. I do like the products are, some of them are quite nice, some of them are really bad or I've never used before, but the way it's presented, yeah, that does not tick any of my boxes. So the first things first, we have an Espar body lotion. Now I love Espar. Espar smells really, really nice. If you want a really nice like spa kind of bath, and well, you want a spa day but don't want to pay the full price to go to a spa, then I would highly recommend Espar. I think I've got quite a few now of Espar body lotions. Smells really, really nice and I absolutely love them. I've had a few Espar products from, I've had a few body lotions from Espar and they all smell really, really nice. But yeah, if you want a kind of like a budget, home budget spa, then I would say Espar is the perfect ones. They might be a bit pricey, but they are good. Then the next product we have is a Scalp Scrub Exfoliating Scalp Treatment. Now I don't really use stuff like this because I've got to be really, really careful of what I put on my scalp. Now I've got really sensitive skin and scalp, so I've got to be really, really careful with this. So if no one wants it, then it'll probably go in the bin. But yeah, I don't really use stuff like this for my hair. And then we have the Nude Co Skin Filter Serum. I've got loads of serum. I probably might not even use this little guy here. But yeah, I've got to go through all of my stuff. Obviously there'll be two organisation videos going up. One for like an autumn clean and organising, and then one obviously near Christmas time, so it gets ready for Christmas. But yeah, I've got another serum here. 3 more bits to show you. Then the next we have a Peter Thomas Roth peeling gel. I don't really use stuff like that either. Anything to do with like peeling off your skin, I get really scared of. Now there was a Revolution, I think it's like a red bottle, it's like a pill thing that you put on your face, you leave it on for a couple of minutes and start peeling it off. But it makes your skin go bright red, and yeah, where obviously I go out as well, I go shopping and stuff, and I go to work, I don't really want my face bright red. So yeah, with things like with peeling and stuff like that, I tend to stay well clear, especially when I've got sensitive skin as it is as well. So I tend to stay quite clear away from them. Then we have a Delilah lip liner, long wear, and it's in the shade Pout. Now I've got loads of lip liners, but you can never have too many lip liners. Ooh, it's like a nudie pinky kind of colour, which I quite like. And I think I've got a couple of products now from Delilah, so I've got that one as well. Then last but no means least in this beauty box, we have a Natasha Denona I Need a Nude palette. It's a little eyeshadow palette, which looks really nice. I think this and the Espa body lotion is the only thing, oh, and the lip liner I would absolutely use. It's really nice and gold. Well, it's like a goldy nudie colour, and it's very festive as well. So I hope you guys can see that. Looks really festive colour, so I tend to keep these because obviously with like Christmas coming up, you can do like festive like eyeshadows and stuff, then you can look really nice and festive. So those are the products that I received in this month's box. September Look Fantastic. I must have cancelled the Look Fantastic beauty boxes before I got the October one, so hence why I don't have the October one yet. But that is all the product from this box. And yeah, just to show you what the box actually looks like properly, it's basically you just got tissue paper and you've got a cardboard box. Yeah, I don't really have that much thought about it because it just really looks, it's not really good presentation, and you don't really have anything to protect the products inside. So yeah, it's a no from me. This is all the products up close so you guys can see. So these are all from the Look Fantastic September beauty box. The only thing that I think I would use is the Espa body lotion, the lip liner and the eyeshadow. The peel gel, the scalp scrub and the serum I don't think I would ever use. The presentation of the box is not very good. Like I said, this is just my opinion, and yeah, I don't think they've thought about it that much. Not like they used to. They've just got a cardboard box, filled it with a bit of tissue paper, chuck the products in, and Bob's your uncle, done. They've not really thought about the products itself. But yeah, they've not really thought about the presentation either. But yeah, this is the September Look Fantastic beauty boxes. So guys, that is going to conclude today's video. I hope you guys have enjoyed. This is the last Look Fantastic beauty box unboxing due to obviously cancelling for Christmas and my holiday. All of the holiday stuff is basically put on hold for now because obviously we've got Christmas coming up. I'm still paying off my half of the holiday, but as for buying any more holiday stuff, that is being paused right now because obviously the holiday is not until next year in July, so we have plenty of time to get the rest of the stuff that we need. So I'm just going to concentrate on paying for the holiday and sorting out Christmas. There is loads more videos coming up for your way, guys. There's like Christmas videos as well, obviously putting away the Halloween stuff, decorating my tree with me. I've obviously got my little tree as well. More organisation videos, organising, going through things. So there's loads more videos coming up your way. Plus there's another advent calendar to show you guys. There is so much more. So I hope you guys stay tuned. If you have enjoyed this video, give it a like, comment and subscribe. And I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye guys.